In this first workflow section, I'll look at early concept ideation. So I'm talking about when you have an idea as maybe a 2D sketch, and you're taking the first steps to exploring this as a 3D form. And when we're at this stage, we're much more focused on rapid visualization and understanding of things like proportion, stance, volumes, and how shapes work in three-quarter views. And we're much less worried about surface quality, highlights, continuity, or whether the model is complete or closed. And if we look at the overall process of developing a car design, you can see that there are very different ways of working at different stages. At the end, we have highly skilled modeling specialists creating the production data for the final design, typically with very disciplined single-span surfaces. But before that, we have the design development iterations, where the surface quality still has to be very good, but for speed we might mix single and multi-span modeling. But for concept design we relax and we essentially sketch loosely in 3D. And in recent years, polygon modeling has become another option for this stage, and so designers tend to choose whichever way is easier for them. And here's an example of a concept model where the designer has used both a polygon model for the wheels and the hood and a NURBS model for the roof canopy. And if I put the zebra stripe evaluation on, you can see that the polygon model doesn't have smooth or controlled highlights, whereas the NURBS surfaces let you explore those highlights and the flow of surfaces better. So for these tutorials, I'll concentrate on the tools and techniques for sketch modeling in NURBS. So I'll start by looking at working with sketches and other reference data. So here there's a creative sketch as well as some dimensional reference in a 2D sketch or drawing. And over here there might be some competitor reference or carryover data. So we'll look at bringing the 2D design work into the 3D space. And I'll also show you the best tools for rapid exploration of a design, and look at drawing directly onto the 3D model to be able to explore different details through quick sketching rather than detailed modeling. And I'll take an example of the wheel to show you how instancing can be used for rapid iterations. And again for iterations, I'll finally show you the lattice rig, which lets us explore alternatives quickly using polygon-type tools for global manipulation, without worrying about individual surfaces. So the process of early concepting an alias is very different from the detailed final design work. But even if you're aiming to be more technical, it's a great fun way to practice your alias skills and to get started on a project.